Today we are taking a look at the Steelseries Arctis 3, one of the most popular and widely used affordable gaming headsets on the market. But they've been on the market for what seems like forever now, and there are a ton of new releases from Steelseries and other brands in a similar price range. So are they still the great affordable headset they once were, or just outdated? How do they sound compared to other options? And are they still worth that price? Let's find out! The Steelseries Arctis 3 comes with that classic design that we've come to know and love from the Steelseries. The Arctis 3 sports a clean design that'll look good in any day situation. The headset itself is held together with a wide, solid texture ski goggle design headband and the ear cups that share the same smooth texture along with rubberized backings. It doesn't have any lights and only comes in a dark gray color, but the microphone retracts into the left ear cup when you don't need it. But that's not the only cool feature this microphone has to offer, but we'll come to that a little later on. Controls and ports are found on the bottom of the ear cups with the power Bluetooth button found on the right cup. The left side is busier with a mic mute button, volume dial, micro USB charging port, audio port, and an extra headphone share jack, as well as the previously mentioned retractable microphone. To handle the transfer of audio, the Arctis 3 comes with an attachment for a single 3.5mm plug and another for a splitter for certain PC setups. It also has the versatility of Bluetooth connectivity for easy syncing with smartphones, if you want to take them on the go, which most modern headsets do have nowadays. The Arctis 3 connects via a 3.5mm jack, which makes it compatible with just about every game console and other devices. Even if you are gaming on an older generation of console, the headset is backward and forward compatible with Xbox and PlayStation hardware. The same goes for the Nintendo Switch family. In terms of laptops, mobile devices, and beyond, the Arctis 3 are also compatible. The ClearCast bidirectional microphone really steals the show here, as it gives you great vocal output in gaming, streaming, chat room, and in phone calls. The Discord certified microphone, it gives you advanced background noise cancellation that gives you clear vocals. Your friends will never not be able to hear you make callouts ever again. Did you know Steelseries gives you the same design as aircraft carrier deck crews, ensuring noise cancellation that keeps your voice sounding clear and natural? That's how you know you're working with a great brand, when aircraft carrier crews are using them. The specified battery life of the Steelseries Arctis 3 Bluetooth is up to 28 hours of active listening. Charging the battery takes almost 4 hours, primarily because there's no support for any fast charging technology. The charging is done through the built-in micro USB port on the left ear cup. You're free to continue using the headset while it's being charged. You of course can still use it in wired mode even if the battery is completely drained. But honestly, you can throw it on while you go to bed, and in 4 hours, even if you sleep that long, it's going to be good to go soon. The headset performs extremely well, giving you great directional audio and added excellent bass to explosions. It really ups the immersion of in-game and added more depth to the audio details. The richness of the sound helps increase any directional awareness. I was able to rely so heavily on audio cues with the headset that I was using the in-game radar less and less. The better sound meant I was able to pinpoint enemy movement with the sound of footsteps and weapon reloads alone, which when you're playing a first-person shooter, that's the biggest difference from winning and losing. Now you're gonna have no other choice but to blame your aim. The Arctis 3 is an excellent headset offering comfort, functional design, and excellent value. It is easily one of the best mics in gaming at this price point. In today's market for the cheaper side of great quality headset, these are still definitely a very solid option. They're a solid choice to jump into your next adventure or multiplayer fray with the Arctis 3. If you're on that budget but still want that prime gaming experience, they deliver an edge in sound and comfort, especially with an affordable price. But that's just my opinion. Why don't you let me know your opinions in the comments down below. Give the video a like if you learned anything, and maybe hit that subscribe button if you enjoy these types of reviews. If you're interested in this, then why don't you check out this video on the HyperX Cloud 2. It's a similar priced gaming headset that's a great alternative if you're not sold on the Arctis 3, but like the idea of a great gaming headset under $100. You can check out that video right here. But until next time, I'll see you in the next video.